It's early morning here at Canción del Corazon Center in Vilcabamba, Ecuador. Nature is waking up. The sun has risen, illuminating these chestnut blossoms and loofah gourds and these exotic vining flowers. There is a thrum of activity on the land. Nature is thriving once again. These katana bees live in a soap nut tree trunk and produce medicinal honey. 6 years ago the land was barren. Now we have such diversity, such beauty everywhere. Mangoes are blossoming. As we build fertility, nature responds. Life flourishes. Symbioses emerging, and birds arriving. Many different species are now inhabiting the landscape, sharing in the new abundance. As our food forest matures, there's more and more habitat, more and more food supply. So the birds come with their song and their flashes of color, and they birth their young. The populations increase. There's a new harmony. It's so inspiring to watch, to be giving back to nature, to be sharing in our interdependence. This hummingbird posed for me. And this amazing huge butterfly was very difficult to capture, but I managed to get a bit of a blurry glimpse of him posing on a naranjilla leaf, dancing in the perennial peanut plantings. The butterflies are everywhere. Their larvae feeding on the abundance of vegetation and birthing beauty, such grace, such kindness. We have monarchs living on the land. We planted milkweed to feed them, give them habitat. They don't need to migrate here. They reside here all year. Every day giving forth 1,000,000 living miracles. In Mount Lorango, the feminine Apu deity of Vilcabamba oversees it all. One last feed before nightfall. And as the sun sets and falls below the horizon, the land goes quiet once again into slumber.